first time the cat has walked in years.
Oh, isn't that? Phantom is about 3.5 years old. She was attacked by a dog when she was 6 months old. She suffered some spinal damage, and she hasn't been able to use her back legs properly since then. We just put her in this, and for the first time in 3 years, she is able to walk. It is a miracle.
It's a fabulous item, simply because any animal that has been geared to a specific spot for years, this gives them the freedom to move around and go and roam and explore, which is what they're intended to do. You should see this little kitty cat. Totally cute.
Oh, you like me, huh?